Good morning, student. Now, today we will see the word problem. Actually, I have sent the two videos of that linear equation in two variables, but many of the students will not solve these examples. That is very important. You have to solve these examples. So, again, I will take some example from your book. So, first one, I will explain one word problem, that is solve example. These examples also are very important for you. Many times they in exam they can ask some example from this solve example. See now, Sahil's age is 23 years more than half of the Sangram's age. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 55 years. Find their present ages. Now, very important thing here, you have to frame this word problem into equation form. Then how to identify the example is based on simultaneous equation or quadratic equation. In quadratic equation only one condition, here two conditions are given. See, this is first and this is second. If two conditions given in the example, means that is the simultaneous equation. So first one, you have to assume who is Sahil and Sangram is given. Suppose let the present age of Sahil be x and Sangram be y. So what is the first condition? Sahil's age is 23 years more. More means plus and less means minus. That is very important. By the word you have to prepare the equation. More than half of the Sangram's age. Means Sahil's age is x, we are assuming, equal to half of Sangram's age means y upon 2 plus 23 more means 23 plus. Okay, 5 years ago means before. So what was the Sangram say Sahil's age? X minus 5. Suppose your age is now today 10 or 15. So what is 5 years ago your age? 10 means 15 minus 5. So like that x minus 5 and Sangram's age is y minus 5. The sum of their ages 5 years ago is 55. Means sum of the 5 years ago his age is x minus 5 plus Sangram's age is y minus 5. Okay, so this minus 5, 10 minus 10, and when it goes that side it become plus 10. See here, this is the first from the second condition. Here, this is the first one and this is the second one. 2x, here the sum of 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 55 years. Okay, and this is find the solution of by solving this example by this equation. This 2 denominator is 1. So here LCM is 2, cross multiplication 223 is a 46. So here 46 and this 2 come this side, it is multiply. So 2x plus y is equal to 46. And from this equation, this one minus 5 goes that side, my plus 10. So 55 plus 10 is 65 and this x plus 5. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. X, y term taken one side. See here, y carry different sign. Already you have solved first exercise. You have to equate the coefficient. So, and if signs are same, then subtract. If signs are different, then add. This y is cancel here. 2x plus x is 3x. Addition is 111. So 3 goes that side. Divide. So division of this 111 by 3 is 37. So put this value x is equal to 37 in any equation. You have two equations. Which one you feel simple? Put that. Suppose this one simple now. Put x value is 37. It is plus. It goes that side minus. So 65 minus 37 is 28. So this is the value of y. So we know if word problem, then you have to write the answer. Therefore, Sahil's present age is 37 years and Sangram's present age is 28 years. Now, like this, we have to see this exercise. Okay. So, in this exercise practice set, I will solve first, somehow different second, and this is fourth. At least you have to solve third, fifth, sixth. And if you are able, actually this is omitted from your syllabus. Okay, but this is very important for 10th standard. If you are able to solve or otherwise, at least you have to solve these three examples. So one by one, we will see the example. See first one. So here, in an envelope, there are some 5 rupee notes and some of 10 rupee notes. In an envelope, two types of note, 5 rupee and 10 rupee. total amount of these notes together 350 rupees. Number of 5 rupee notes are less by 10. Okay, so first one here, what you have to find? They'll find the number of 5 rupee and 10 rupee note. So here you have to assume, let the number of 5 rupee note be X and 10 rupee be Y. The very first thing here you have to assume this one. So now what is the condition? If you have 5 rupees 3 notes, so how much rupees you have? 15. No? 5 3s are 15. So first one we have to find the value of this one. The value of X notes of rupee 5. So it is what? 5x. Similarly, the value of Y notes of rupee 10, it is 10y. So what is the first condition? The sum is 350, means value of 5 is 5x plus 10y equal to 350. Okay, from the given first condition. Here what condition is given? Sum 10 rupees. Total amount of this note is 350. Total amount 350. So if we convert it into simplest, so convert it. So this equation can be divide equation by 5. So 5 divided by 5 cancel. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. This 0. So this is the equation number first. This is from first condition. Then from the second condition. From the second condition. Second condition is what? See here. The number of 5 rupees notes are less by 10 than number of 10 rupee notes. So 5 rupee notes are less. 5 rupee note is what? X. 10 rupee note Y. If how much notes are less? 10. Here 10 than 5 rupee notes are less by 10 than number of this one. This is the equation. See here, number of 10 rupee notes. Here number of 5 rupee notes are less by 10 than number of 10 rupee notes. Then find the value of this. So how to find? Total number of these notes together, the 5 rupee notes are less by 10 than, okay, than twice. Here one word is remain, twice the number of 10 rupee notes, means here 2y. Okay, twice here this word is remain in the example. First you have to check that example what is written, check in from the book or question paper. So take the xy value one side, take this 2y that side, say what is x minus 2y, and this side what remain? Minus 10. So your equation is what? X minus 2y is equal to minus 10. This is the equation number 2. So observe first and second. Here x having same sign. So here you have to subtract. So subtract. First coefficient you have to equate and then you have to subtract or add. Subtract equation 2 from first. X plus 2y is equal to 70 and x minus 2y. Here you can add directly. Add. See, directly adding, then this one cancel. Okay, if you subtract, then what remain? No problem. Subtract, then here minus, here become plus, here become plus. This x cancel, plus 2 plus 4y, 70 plus 10, 80. So y is equal to this 4 is multiply, 80 divided by 4. So y is what? 2. So value of y is 2. Okay. No, not 2, 20. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So put this value. So put y is equal to 20 in any equation, first or second. Suppose in first, in equation first. So first equation is what? X plus 2y is equal to minus 10. So x plus 2y, y is 20. Okay, equal to minus 10. So x is equal to Is that correct? X plus 2y, sorry, 70 here, not x plus first is 70, here 70. Okay. So this is 70. This 22s are 40. It goes that side, it become minus. So x is equal to 30. So what is your answer? You have to write in word. Well, the word problem is given. So you have to write that in a word. So what is the answer? There are 30 notes of rupee 5 and 20 notes of rupee y means 10. Okay, this is the answer. So second example we'll see one more. The denominator of fraction. See here, the denominator of fraction is 1 more than twice the numerator. If 1 is added to numerator and denominator respectively, the ratio of the numerator and denominator is 3:5. In book, that is given 1:2. There is a 1:2, but that is printing mistake. We will not get the answer by that 1:2. So correct it. There is a 3:5. So here a fraction. First you have to assume. Let the numerator of fraction be x and denominator be y. Okay. Therefore, fraction is equal to x upon y. Understood? If we say denominator is 2 and numerator is denominator is 5 and numerator is 2, then 2 upon 5 no. So like that, if we assume this is numerator x, denominator y, so fraction is this one. So now the denominator of fraction is 1 more than twice the numerator. What is denominator? Y. Okay, from the first condition, suppose from the first condition. See here. The denominator of fraction is 1 more than twice the numerator. Twice the numerator is 2x, 1 is more than means 2x plus 1. Y is equal to 2x. 1 is more, no? This one more, so it is minus. Or you can say like this also, y plus 1 is more, 1 more than this 2x. Okay, so your equation is what? Take x by one time. This y goes that side, 2x minus y is equal to 1. So your equation is 2x minus y equal to 1. Understood or not? See, this one is what? The denominator of fraction is 1 more than, 1 means more means plus, than 2 of twice of the numerator. So this is equation first. Then from the second condition, what is the second condition? If 1 is added in the numerator and denominator. See, this is the fraction. 1 is added in the numerator and denominator. Then the ratio is 3:5. 3:5 like this. Then take cross multiplication. 5 into x plus 1 and equal to 3 into y plus 1. So 5x plus 5 1 is 5. 3y plus 3. Take xy term one side, 5x, this is minus 3y, and 5 goes that side, minus 5. So here 5x minus 3y equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2. So see then first and second. Coefficients are different. Here 3, here 1, here 2, here 5. So y we can equate, it is simple, no? So if we multiply this one by 3, then coefficient comes same. So multiply equation 1 by 3. So here what is 1? Multiply by 3, 2x minus y equal to, both sides you have to multiply by 3. So what is it? 6x minus 3y equal to 3. This is equation number 3. Okay. So now see the second and third. Now coefficient of y is same, but sign also same. So you have to subtract. Sign same, then you have to cancel, then you have to subtract. If sign are different, then you have to add. So subtract equation 3 from 2. Third from 2. So 5x minus 3y equal to minus 2. Minus 6x minus 3y equal to 3. So this one plus become minus. minus become plus, this is minus. Okay, 5 minus 6 minus 1x, this one cancel, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, both side are minus, so it become plus, so value of x become 5. Okay, so x is 5, then put this value. You have three equation, first, second and third. You can put in any one, which one you feel simple, you put it. Suppose put x is equal to 5 in equation first. So first is what? 2x, see carefully, minus y equal to 1. So x is 5, 1. 5 to the 10 minus y equal to 1. We want the value of y now. This y is minus. When it goes that side, it become plus. Okay. This 10 as it is. This 1 is plus. When it come left side, it become minus. So y is equal to what? 9. Okay. So we found both the value. Therefore, your fraction is what? X upon y. So what is the value? X is 5 and y is 9. So this is your answer. Therefore that fraction is 5 upon 9. Okay. So write this all example. That is very important for 10th standard. So again we will see some different example. This is third example we will take from that practice set. So there is some lion and peacock. The total number of lions and peacocks in a certain zoo is 50. This is the first condition. The total number of their legs. We know how many legs lion having and peacock. Lion having 4, peacock having 2. That is very important. That's why I am taking this example. Is 140. Then find the number of lion and peacock. What you have to find? Assume that. Let number of lions. Let the number of lions be x and peacocks be y. Okay. So now from the first condition, but they having okay. First we'll assume this one first condition is simple from the first condition. What is the first condition? See here, the total number of lions, this is, and peacock are 50. So this is equation first. Very simple. But now here you have to consider the legs. Okay. So lion is the total number of. Here we have to consider because legs is given. No? Total number of legs of lion. First we'll take lion. Lion having 4 legs. So total lion is x. So total legs is 4x. And the total number of legs of peacock now. C-O-C-K. P-A-C-O-C-K. Peacocks. That is y. So peacock having 2 legs. So 2y. Okay. So now from the first condition, from the second condition now. First condition this will come from the second condition. What is the second condition? The total number of their legs means 4x plus 2y is what? 140. So here we can divide this one by 2. Simplest form. So divide it first. Divide equation by 2. So what is it come? 2x plus here 2 upon 2 is 1. Here 2 7 are 14. So this is equation number second. So see first and second. X coefficient different. Y is same. Yes, we can cancel y. But both are carry plus plus. So you have to take subtraction. So subtract equation. You can subtract second from first or first from second, no problem. Suppose we will subtract, these coefficients are bigger now. So if you subtract equation first from second. First from second means what? Here you have to write second equation first, and this first one second. X plus y is equal to 50. So subtraction. So change the sign. Okay. 2x minus x. Here no coefficient means 1. 1x plus minus y cancel. 70 minus 50 is 20. Value of x is come. So you have two equation again. Put that value. So put x is equal to 20 in equation first First is simple, no? That's why we taken first one. X plus y is equal to 50. So put the value of x. 20 plus y is equal to 50. This 20 is plus. When it goes that side, it become minus. So what is the value of y? 30. So now here we found both the values. Okay. So write your answer. Therefore, there are how many lions? X is 20 lions and how many peacocks? 30 peacocks. Okay. Your answer is correct or not, you can check. This answer sum is 50. 20 plus 30 is 50. 20, here x plus y is 50. No? 20 plus 30 is 50, means our answer is correct. So write this example and I am expecting to send all students these answers. Whatever be 3 example remain, 3, 4, what we you are able to solve that and sell it. And that is many of the students, they are not serious regarding attendance too. So I will take strict action. Just I am saying twicely, thrisely, but you feel sir not taking any action, but now I will take that action. So sell in your attendance in time and study too. Thank you.